What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2006 Saturn View. It's an SUV and we're gonna program new ignition keyfobs for this SUV. So you can see they're in a program. I'm gonna be using the scanner. This is the Autel Maxisys Elite, and it can work with other scanners like the older versions. It works the same, so I like this one because it's easy and fast. What you have to do is add keyfobs. We're gonna program the new keyfobs and we're gonna press OK on this, and for that we have to open the switch. We need to open the switch and we press the keyfob release again, and as you can see we're gonna hear the chime, and we have 20 seconds to program this. So we need to hold this 20 seconds and we're gonna hear the locks cycle. Just give it a sec. Takes a little bit. There you go. I heard them, and as you can see, let me just try it. It's a little bit hard with one hand, and you can see, you can hear it. So now I'm gonna try with the next one. Just put add, press OK, and we hold it for 20 seconds, and you can see the locks right there. You're gonna hear him cycle. Just wait, wait, and wait. There you go, until you hear that. And then it's pretty much the same procedure for any other keyfob. So you can see both are programmed now. There you go. And now what I have to do is just program an additional one, and it goes on and on and on. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.